For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
The swarm of locusts has entered several districts of Maharashtra and have destroyed crops. Orange orchids and several vegetable crops damaged by swarm of locusts in 3 districts of Maharashtra. Amravati, Wardha and Nagpur districts have been affected in Maharashtra. The attack is likely to extend to other districts as well. It is the major locust attack that has occurred in Maharashtra since 1993. According to the Maharashtra State Agriculture Department, the swarm is 10 kilometers long, 2 kilometers wide. The swarm said to have travelled 120 kilometers between May 24 and May 26. They are expected to spread to other districts and other states. High alert has been issued in Punjab following the locust attack in Maharashtra and Rajasthan. Swarms of locusts have already invaded 5 states in the country. Rajasthan, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh are the affected states. Locusts are capable of feeding on all green vegetation like leaves, flowers, bark, stems, fruit and seeds. It is said that the locust invasion is happening because of climate change. Swarms are so large that the farmers feel that measures taken to control the locusts are inadequate and late. Locusts entered Rajasthan from Pakistan and have been spreading to other states of the country. The swarms have been entering Rajasthan every 2 to 3 days since 1 month. The Deputy Director of the Agriculture Department in Jaipur said that 4 swarms have entered the country during the past month.
Swarms of locusts are entering Rajasthan from adjoining areas in Pakistan every 2 to 3 days since 1 month. Pakistan has become the new breeding ground of the locusts and hence we are seeing the repeated attacks of locusts in the state. 4 swarms have entered Jaipur recently.
Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh governments are using drones to kill locusts. Drones are being used to spray pesticides on locust breeding areas. Locusts have already destroyed over 5 lakh hectares of crops in Rajasthan alone. Rabi cultivation is about to start and the government is planning to eliminate locusts before the season starts. Locusts have destroyed acres of field. After 5 states in the country being invaded by the locust, several states are put under high alert. Karnataka Agriculture Minister B.C. Patil has called for a meeting with agriculture officers to take measures to control locust attacks.